In this class, let us learn Ampere's circuital law. This law is used to find the magnetic field due to a current carrying conductor. Let us consider a current carrying conductor carrying a current I. Consider a circular loop around the conductor which encloses a surface S. According to Ampere's circuital law, line integral of magnetic field around a closed loop is mu0 times the total current passing through the surface bounded by the loop. So for the loop L, closed integral B dot dl is equal to mu0 times the current passing through the area bounded by the loop, that is mu0 I. If you are considering the loop for which the magnetic field is tangential at all points, then we can write closed integral B dot dl is equal to closed integral B dl. Magnetic field is parallel to the length. So the angle is 0, so cos 0 is 1. And if magnetic field is uniform, same at all points on the loop, this is equal to B into closed integral dl, where closed integral dl is the total length of the loop. If L is the length of the path for which the magnetic field is tangential, closed integral B dot dl is equal to BL, and that is equal to mu0 IE, where IE is the current enclosed by the loop. Let us apply Ampere's circuital law to find the magnetic field due to a straight conductor. Let us consider a straight conductor carrying current I. To find the magnetic field at a point, consider a circular loop around the conductor. For any element of the loop AB, the magnetic field is tangential and the point is at a distance r, so that the radius of the loop is r. According to Biot-Savart law, closed integral B dot dl is equal to mu0 IE, where IE is the enclosed current. Since field is tangential to the loop, BL is equal to mu0 I, where I is the current through the loop. Since it is a circular loop, length of the loop is 2 pi r. Therefore, magnetic field is equal to mu0 I by 2 pi r. So magnetic field is directly proportional to the current and inversely proportional to the distance. And for a long conductor, the field has cylindrical symmetry, and the field lines form concentric circles, closed loops around the conductor. The direction of magnetic field due to a straight conductor is given by right hand thumb rule. If we keep the conductor in the palm of the right hand in such a way that the thumb points the direction of current, then the direction in which fingers curl gives the direction of magnetic field. If the current flows upwards, then field lines are directed anti-clockwise. So this represents the pattern of the field lines around a straight conductor.